Sometimes we need to paste only values in Apple numbers. For example, this is on sample data table, and here if we click here, we see there is some other cells are highlighting. That means this is a formula, and if we check carefully at the bottom, here it is showing formula. So this is the formula. So if we double click, it is showing like that type of formula. Okay, so if we try to copy this data, for example this data to here, so right click, generally the way we copy, right click, we select the cell, then right click, copy, and here suppose we want to paste it, right click and paste. We'll see some error is coming or unnecessary data is coming like 0 and 2 cells are highlighting, but the value is not copying. So how we can do this thing? I mean, how we can copy, I like copy only the value and paste it only value. Now let's see how we can paste only the values. For example, we want to paste all these values. Okay, like for example first 3 values. So right click, then I'm going to copy it. Now I want to paste it over here. So to paste it, we need to click edit, and from these menus we have to choose this option, paste formula results. Now click here and you will see only the values are copied, and see here nothing is there, it's only the value, and here also nothing, no formula is there. And that's it. In this way we can easily paste only values in Apple numbers.